Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share you my latest project in my machine learning journey. This is my second project. I'm very excited to present my second project, that is PhonePe data visualization project. In this project, I have delved deep into PhonePe data to uncover valuable insights using Python, Streamlit, and MySQL. It's been an incredible journey, I can say, because I have explored lot many things, maps, taking geo maps, JSON files, searching for a JSON file. Actually, I started with India map visualization. Then I ended with placing the maps for all the states. That is all India states. So we can see one by one. I'm very eager to share it with you. First of all, thank you for that. And then now let us see the project details. In this project, the main overview of the project is that, as I said, it is completely regarding the PhonePe data. So here I have used various tools starting from Streamlit, MySQL, and then even I have used many geo views, folium maps, everything. So many libraries, like what other libraries we will use basically. And the key features, the highlight is the first thing, just we will collect the data. So like first step will be like we will collect the comprehensive data from the PhonePe GitHub repository, and then we will take it into a data frame, and from there we should organize the data right. So that I have used MySQL there and structured into the uh, like structured format for the seamless analysis actually. And this is the overall QA process flow. So website process will be like this. So first we will have four tabs. One is explore data, state data, data insights, and GeoView. So under explore and state data, so we can see transaction data, insurance data, and user data. That is, explore data is to view completely about India. So one by one we can filter for every year, every quarter we can filter and see the data. Like under state data, we can see for each state. If we talk about Maharashtra, Delhi, so we can filter year, quarter accordingly, and we can see the data. And then the third tab is about data insights. I have collected few data insights to give the overview of that, like yearly distribution, quarter-wise distributions, and then user counts and increase in user counts. Those things I have added that. And then the final tab is to give a like a world map presentation, that is a geographical view using data visualization. So yeah, like our whole world map will be displayed there. So out of it I have focused only on India. When we hover over the state, it will show the transaction amount of the particular state overall complete for so here PhonePe, like from PhonePe we can get data from 2018 to 2024 first quarter. That is, it starts from 2018 first quarter to 2024 first quarter. But in the like under insurance data, and then even user data, somewhat like insurance data will start from 2020 only. That is 2020 second quarter. So depends on it. I have organized this user interface, and this is a tool. So first initial, as I said, we will collect the data, that is, we'll clone the PhonePe Pulse data from GitHub. I will collect and organize into the data frame, and then again I organize into the SQL, stored in the SQL, and then from that we have connected into the Streamlit application. So we'll get the information from Streamlit, and then we will push the information to the Streamlit. That is like depends on the user input, we will get the information, and then depends on the user input, we'll push the information to the UI interface. This will be the backend flow of the project. So now, so before moving into this code, before moving into the website, I just want you to show the code. So wait a second. Yeah, this is the overall code. So first, this is the first page of the code. So here, from here, our first page will get displayed. So here I have called four tabs, that is explore data, state data, data insights, and GeoView. I have used some CSS interface to display for the color, everything I have used. and then I have created some PhonePe image and more, like particularly I want to mention that I just try to replica the PhonePe actual website. So I have used the same color maximum. I have tried to use the same color background, everything. I have tried to use that. So I have created the options menu. I have padded everything and given the like given the icons for that like icon color, everything I have handled here. So from here it will move on to the explore data. So before that, this is a user interface first thing. So here what I did, this is the first code. So here what we did, this is the first code, starting step of the code. Here we have cloned the data from PhonePe GitHub. So and we have 9 tables, right, for aggregated and then top, and then we have insurance data, sorry, aggregated like insurance data and transaction data, user data. We have three different types, right? So under that we have aggregated user and top. So like based on that I have separated into 9 tables here. So all the 9 tables, for each and every tables I have made a function here. Then I have stored the table into this data frame. So those things I have handled here. So this particular program will be called in this SQL connect command code database. So from here I have connected to the SQL and I have stored all the details into the SQL. So this will end here. So after that we will call the one by one SQL. From here in this code we have fetched the database, that is, fetch the details from the SQL database, and I have stored it in the data frame. That is for the easy use. For in case for data insights, I have completely handled with the SQL. For the first initial page export data and state data, since it has huge data, I have just stored it in the data frame again for easy accessibility. So, like particularly for data insights, I have used the SQL data here. And then from there that is like next is our user interface. So from here if you go into explore data here, so here you can see three different tabs, that is for one is for transaction data and another one is insurance data and then user data. So from each menu, so we can see the complete details. Like if you see the user interface you will get to know. So here I haven't used the SQL, just as we have already stored into the data frame, right? From there I have access all the data. Here we can see top 10 states and then top 10 districts, top 10 pin codes, and then even we can see total value, total average value, everything. If we talk about insurance data, so we can see insurance premium amount total and insurance premium count total, and there also we can see top states, everything with the India map. So when we over on the India map, we can see the complete details of the particular state, like the transaction amount, those things. And then if we talk about user count, registered user, app opens, everything we can see, and even it depends on the brand of the mobile phones, like Xiaomi, Nokia. We have many brand, Hawaii, even where we have Asus, like many brands, right? So it depends on the brand also where the data has been displayed here. So we have a data in the like phone pay. Just I have utilized that, and the same thing. It is here we can see for complete India altogether. In this particular code, the state data, so we can see each state separately. That is initially we will get the details from the user, so whether year, quarter, and the state. So like depends on the state, we have separated the details. So it will display the state name whatever the user is selected, and then so like one by one all the tables can be seen here. So this is, but and here also we have three different tabs: transaction data, insurance data, and then user data. Three different tabs, and I have used the CSS commands, and these functions I have used to format the numbers. So if it is a rupees, it should display in crores, lakhs types. I have formatted this function here. Here I have used the number function here, and then these are all columns. And here comes the data insights. Most for all India data, I have used about more than 10 plus questions here. So here I have handled completely using the SQL. So using the SQL select query, so I have execute and fetch the query from the SQL database. From there I have displayed into the data visualization. Here we can see the bar chart, area chart, and then the box plot, pie chart, those things we can see here, trend line. So like increase in the years, like what, like which is initial stage, final stage, everything we can display using this tab. So here I have separated for two, as I said, like first tab is for all India, and second tab is for dedicated for states. So here we can see the state-wise data. State-wise also I have added about 10 questions here. So all the even for state-wise I have used a SQL data to fetch the details. And then comes the GOV. It's my favorite tab, especially so we can see the complete world map, like a Google map thing. We can see it here. Here I have used a folio map, but in case of export data, state data, I have used a Clearopath map so that we can like we easily right. So this is about the code. This is like step by step code, whatever I have given mentioned here. So I have given the GitHub link. Like along with this video, so if you want to explore the code, so you can just explore it with the link below. So and then here comes our website. So I'm unable to deploy this website for live, as we have huge database. I need to get like a SQL code, like SQL cloud access. It's a huge, so that I have created only in the local like for my local host. So now we can view the website now. So this is my website interface. So as I said, here we can see the tab sidebar, we can see the menu. So one by one, so explore data, we have three. So first we'll start with explore data. As it has huge data here, so it is taking some time. Yeah. So here comes like by default it has selected for 2018 year and first quarter. This transaction type especially created for map view. So here you can see the for that particular year and quarter we can see how many like all like PhonePe transactions and transaction, that is total payment value and average payment value. Here we can see the categories, and as I said, we can see the top 10 states, and then top 10 districts as well, and then top 10 postal codes. So if you see the PhonePe interface, I almost try to replicate that. So they have used HTML, CSS, React, those things. Here I have did somewhat. I think I have justified that like doing with Streamline. This is a postal data top 10. We can see it here. That is all together, all India. We can see it here for the particular quarter and then for the particular year. So we can change the year one by one, and we can see the different data. Yeah, it is getting updated. Yeah, it was updated. So now you can see. So here it is displaying as crores, as that these two are about regarding the rupees. This is just a count, right? So here the crore lakhs will not get displayed, and here also we can see as Indian rupees value. So here, so if you hover the data, you can see the details of the particular state, transaction amount, transaction type, transaction count, everything. So even Andaman, so Delhi, so everything is included here. And the scale also, it depends on the transaction amount. The scale has been described from low to top. So here comes the insurance data. This is also the same display, but here we can see the insurance premium amount and insurance premium count. We can see it here. Here we cannot see that categories thing, but we can see the top 10 top district, like top 10 state, top 10 districts, and top 10 postal codes. So here, so I haven't added this transaction type here. So here we, as I said, insurance data will start from 2020 and second quarter. So here we can filter accordingly, and we can see the insurance amount, like how many insurance policies has been purchased, and like what is the premium value, and what is the average premium value count. So here also, if you hover on the particular state, you can see the complete details. See, this is, it's getting loaded. Yeah, Tamil Nadu. Then here you can see year and transaction amount and transaction count. And then comes the user data. This is also similar to the insurance data and transaction data. Here you can see that is we can see registered users, and then app opens in the particular year and quarter. So here also we can see top 10 districts, top 10 states, and then the top 10 postal codes, and then here comes the brand details. So here we can see top 10 brand wise details, how many user counts. So Xiaomi is a top, Samsung, Vivo, others, Oppo. So these are the top 10 brands. So here also we can see the registered users for each state here for the particular quarter. So then comes the state-wise view. So here we have view complete India, right? But in the next tab, we can see the state-wise, like particular to Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. So separate state-wise we can see. So here in this tab, we can explore district-wise, so that we can get to know the district details as well. So here also we can see, let's start with transaction data here. So here also we can see the details as if the same like a previous one, but here we can explore each state individually. So here you can see the Andaman. So like I will just display the bigger map. Yes, let's go with Maharashtra. Year wise, quarter wise, we can separate, and here as we are dealing with the state, we have only two tabs: district and postal codes. It will take some time. Yeah, this is a Maharashtra state. So if you hover on that, you can see the districts names here and district wise details also here. Yeah, it's getting loaded. Yeah, we got it. So here it's according to the amount it was highlighted here. So let's try for other state like under insurance data. Yeah, here comes insurance data. Here we can select different state. I have selected Tamil Nadu here. So here you can see insurance premium count, premium value as I said in previous tab. This is Tamil Nadu map you can see. So here we can see the separate state here, Chennai, Chengalpattu. So each state you can see the details here when you hover on that. So then this is same as before. Then comes the user interface. Here also I have given different all the states. For all the states we can see separately. So even in PhonePe we can see the separate state, right? So I try to do that replica as I said before. So here we can see some of the state. Let me take Mizoram just to get an idea. So here this is a Mizoram map. So here you can see the state details and brand details as I said. So 2018 quarter one Balik app opens is very low. It is showing only zero even in PhonePe. But when you open different here, you can see the app open counts here. See it's here. So even in Mizoram, it is 1.49 crores in that particular year and quarter. Okay, now then goes our data insights. So there's data insights, as I said, it's all India insights and state-wise insights. So here I have given many data. So this is like yearly growth of transaction amount. You can see how much it was increased. And this is a blocks plot for transaction amount quarter wise. We can see quarter and year wise. We can see. So you can see there is an increase in every year and every quarter. So here you can easily see. So in this visualization, we can understand that the first quarter and fourth quarter is comparatively more. It is compared to 2 and 3. It is very huge. So second quarter is always it's very limited amount only. So we can see the percentage of each quarters. This is for all together, that is all the years. This is one pie chart I have displayed here. So like this we can see for premium amount, we can see for transaction amount, and each and everything we can see transaction amount wise the table data frame table. So everything we can see. As I said, insurance it starts from 2020, so the data is basis like that. And even we can see yearly growth of registered users, how it is getting increased. The same like here I have displayed with the area chart. You can see 2018 is very low, but you can see increase in 2023. So 2024 we have first quarter, so I haven't displayed it here. So here that we can see the even here you can see registered users is more compared to first and fourth year compared to second and third. So, and then we can see state-wise transaction amount. State is more, so you can see Telangana is more. This is state registered users by state-wise. So here you can see when you hover on that, you can see the data as well. This Maharashtra is more, and then app open state-wise brand transaction amount. You can see brand-wise transaction amount. How is this every state-wise? You can see the data here. And then so even the percentage transaction type analysis we have seen, right? So transaction type analysis only all India is there. So you can see peer-to-peer payments is more, and 2000 as 2024 we don't have data, that is first quarter. So you can see compared to 2022, 2023 is huge. Peer-to-peer, next is merchant payment, next is like recharge and bills. So here it is a quarter wise, even quarter wise, peer-to-peer is more. And as I said, first and fourth quarter is more. So we have seen that difference in pie chart as well. So peer overall, even overall, if you take peer-to-peer is more. And similar to that, so this is about average amount, transaction amount by quarter. Even here we can see the fourth is huge. Even actually, here we have taken only 2000. Sorry, 2023 till 2023. So this is same like that. So in separated for each and every state, we can see the growth of each and every state and the status wise, district wise, year wise, quarter wise. For each state, we can see the data here for each and every state of India. So we can display the data here. So you can see something else, registered users, Jammu and Kashmir registered users. So district wise, we can see Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu only we have more registered users here, and then yeah, we can see the transaction amount of Jammu and Kashmir. So even Jammu has registered users more in Jammu, and obviously transaction amount is more in Jammu. So this is the data insight. I have given more like transaction amount, transaction count, yearly growth, insurance premium, yearly growth, insurance count, yearly growth. So many are here. And then comes the GeoWave, my favorite. So here you can see the complete geographical view of a world along with India highlighted. Yeah, this is for 2018 and first quarter. It's showing the data. So here you can see your India map, big one. So we can even zoom and see. So when you click on it, you can see the data. Just aggregate details, complete transaction amount, aggregate details. We can see it here. So we can try one more year and other quarter. Will take time for sure. Yeah, it's getting loaded. 1 second. Yeah, here comes. This is for 2014. You can see the data here. Even Andaman is highlighted and Lakshadweep is highlighted here. Okay, this is about my project, and thanks for watching me until this. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Even I have added the GitHub so you can use it for future use. So if you want to learn about the coding step-by-step process, if you're willing to learn that, so just let me know in the comments so that I can post in complete details like how I created, what is the code I have used, everything from top to bottom. I can explain you in the upcoming videos if you are interested to know. Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining.